So what's up? It's Dinger. I bought a Phiray. Wow, am I excited. This thing is just ultra awesome. I haven't opened it yet. I cut the plastic, but here we go. This is the unboxing video for the Phiray. Inside here should be control panel, transformer, and 2 plasma globes. So take out some of this stuff. The box of control blocks. That's stupid. Ooh, careful now. Not the most elegant approach. Doesn't matter. There's the back end of it. Side view, my bad. Oh, the sound of that styrofoam gives me chills. Always has. I hate touching it even. All right, that's enough. All right, we got that out of our system. Plugins, control panel, touchscreen, of course. We're gonna set this off to the side. So the transformer may come attached to the globes, so it's fine. No big deal. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Look at this.
If you're a human being and you can gain access to this technology, you're right up there with the government, and that's just simply how it is. Now, I want to take a look at something called the electric universe theory.
Our very own plasma globe. Look at that. Wow. This is gonna be sick. Wow. Cool. We're gonna go ahead and set her up. We got the safety manual. Powering on and off. Floor modes. Default, whatever. Back. Holy smoke, so you can feel that. Maybe it's because it's so bright out here you can't see them? I don't know.
That's what I'm thinking.
You definitely feel it. That is a strange feeling. It's plugged in good. I don't feel too much from the wand here. Maybe that's because it's not like... Oh, wait a minute. Holy smokes, now I feel it. Whoa. Oh, it feels like I'm... Oh. Yeah, there's like a cool breeze coming out of this, and it... Like in my hand, it feels like I'm moving blood vessels with this thing. Or moving blood cells. Actually, this whole thing is like... Whoa. Now I can really feel it. Whoa, wait a minute. Whew. You want to try?
Mm-hmm.
You feel it? Put it in between the plasma. Now you feel it?
A little bit.
Touch these things.
Oh.
You can feel it?
No, I can't.
You can't?
No.
Just hover it over there. No, over your hand.
Oh. I get like little pins and needles in the tips of my fingers.
Right? Go ahead and throw it on the plants there for a sec. Thank you. I'm sure that's what the plant's saying too. Thank you. It's going to be interesting to try out some electroculture experiments just by having plants in the room with these things. What's up? So after using it for a couple days, I've had some more time with it and able to think through it a little bit, and it makes sense that it's not as bright as the previous Phiray, because dark mode plasma itself is more abundant but not as bright in the universe. So it makes sense that a little rejuvenative plasma ball ain't gonna be super luminescent, otherwise it might scorch you. On the other hand, it made me realize, you know, a truly advanced technology would be gentle. There would be no harsh aspect to it. And I think that's what this is. So anyways, I'm super excited to try it out even more. I'll keep everybody updated, so thanks.